Is it a serum? Is it a toner? Is it an ampoule? Is it a flooding essence? Is it a moisturizer? It's everything in one formulation. How? Ceramides. 3 different types of the most powerful ceramides to restore the natural lipid barrier, acid mantle, and plug the holes on transepidermal water loss. Hyaluronic acid, 7 molecular weights. 7 molecular weights that penetrate 7 different layers of the skin, optimizing natural hydration and plumping. Rice ferment, very good for restoring the natural biome, hydrating and flooding the skin with moisture, also promoting cell regeneration and preventing free radical attacks on the skin. Actimilk argan. This is a milk derived from the argan oil that's been fractionated. It gives us all the benefits, the nutrients, the vitamin E of the argan without the greasiness. And guess what? 80% of the skins studied showed an increase in hydration 100 hours later after 1 application. Bifida Ferment Lysate, anti-aging, repairing the natural moisture levels of the skin, the natural mantle of the skin, and helping support a healthy biome and lipid barrier. Matrixyl 3000, double the strength to help promote more collagen and elastin, which is clinically proven. Matrixyl will help restore elasticity, firmness, reducing lines and wrinkles. All in one super powerful mega formula.